you've got all of your pieces, honey, because it's giving Tiffany, right? The colors are giving Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and it's giving fall, it's giving disco fever, and I'm into it. Y'all gonna get these good dark lips because it's fall, okay? Period. I have a new video for you guys today, and I am so grateful. I want to thank our newest sponsor, Read Your Heart Jewelry. They are sponsoring today's video. So let's go ahead and get into these goodies because it's been too long and I miss y'all. Guys, as I said, today we are doing a jewelry video. Again, shout out to Read Your Heart Jewelry for sending us over the items in today's video. Of course, I'll have everything linked down below as well as the discount code for you to shop. I got you, girl. I got you. Anyway, let's get into it. So here's how my package came, and I wanted to show you guys this way because I think that it is very, oh, I'm getting washed out. I think that their packaging is very eco-friendly, and I love the way they sent it. You still get to have the experience, the luxury experience, but it's packaged in a way that it's going to get to you safe and secure. I love that. So here is what it looks like. It does ship USPS. And let's go ahead and get into these goodies. First thing is first, you get a shopping bag, and it's in plastic. I love that. In case your package gets wet, the bag doesn't get wet. I think that that is ingenious. And then here you've got your cleaning cloth. You've got some record. It says record for your memories, or record your memories. And then you've got the information on your book. On your jewelry. We're gonna pull all this out, look at it, and then you've got all of your pieces, honey, because it's giving Tiffany, right? The colors are giving Tiffany. I love it. I love it. So I love the packaging. I love the way that they present it. You can, that way if you're giving it as a gift, you've got your gift bag still. I think that that is fire. I love the color of their packaging. Let's go ahead and get into some of these goodies, and then we'll get into the actual pieces. And I'm gonna pull out the bag so we can get the whole setup, get the whole feel. This is perfect and so thoughtful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So here is the bag. Like I said, the color is definitely giving Tiffany, right? Like that's giving you Tiffany. Luxe, all the way, Luxe. Website is listed there on the bag as well. www.readyourheart.com. It will be right here for your viewing pleasure and your easy access. Okay. Really nice cleaning cloth. I love a good cleaning cloth. You can never have enough of these. Sterling silver tarnishes, gold plating tarnishes, and so these cloths are treated. I never knew this before, but these cloths are treated with a special treatment that will help shine your jewelry. I love these. I have several of them. So yeah. And then here is just a pamphlet on Read Your Heart. Let's see what it says here. Record your memories. The most popular alternative to diamonds are the Moissanites. We stand a Moissanite on this channel. They really are super brilliant. They're very cost effective, and then they are very eco-friendly. So we stand that on this channel whenever we can. We're gonna be, do our part, okay? And they are responsibly sourced, so we stand that as well. No blood diamonds over here, okay? So yeah, it just gives you a little bit of comparison between a Moissanite and a diamond and the brilliance and all of that, and a lot of times they can't even tell what the difference is. Moissanite is almost just as hard as a diamond, so they're nearly as indestructible. So yeah, just a lot of stuff about the return and exchange policy, jewelry care guide, and all that. You're not supposed to wear them when you're sweating and showering and all of that, but you guys, really, a lot of this stuff, they tell you that for the longevity of it, but honestly, it wears super well even in those conditions. Now, I'm not telling you to go swim, run a marathon in your jewelry, but what I am saying is that when I've done it in the past, it has not been bad for me. Like, it has not. Now, don't make a habit of it, but it was not detrimental to the health and the life of my pieces. So there's that. Do what you will with that information, okay? Okay. Next, let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, it just says, welcome. This certificate of authenticity ensures that your GRA and Gale's Moissanite is an original of exceptional quality and craftsmanship. We are committed to its everlasting fire and brilliance. To ensure that you are fully covered by your warranty, please read information on the card upon receipt. Please note all jewelry purchases have a 12-month limited warranty period from date of purchase. So you get a 1-year warranty. If you, for any reason, within a year, you're covered. Which, what? That's dope. Right? That's dope. That's insurance, basically. So it says created by GRA, limited lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity. You want to register your stuff. This is so official. Okay. You want to register your pieces. And it gives you the website, it gives you your warranty ID. I will be registering my pieces, of course. And then this is your Moissanite report. You guys, this is so official. It's exactly like what you get when you make a purchase at Zales or what's another jewelry place, K Jewelers or any of those other places. This is the exact information that they're giving you on your diamonds, same warranties and things like that. So I think that that's cool. I love it. But this is all the boring stuff, very beneficial but very boring. So let's get into what we came here for, because what we came for jewelry, period. So I got a matching wedding set. I know you guys have noticed I have lost quite a bit of weight, and with that being said, my wedding ring no longer fits my finger. Like, I can't even wear it, and so I don't wear it because I don't want to lose it. First of all, these rings, these types of rings and moissanites are perfect for just that purpose, right? Like, or if you're going out of town and you don't want to take your actual ring, your diamonds with you for fear of losing them or for fear of possibly being robbed, they're, you know, you put them away in a safe place, and then you wear your moissanites out so that if you do lose them, you're not losing thousands of dollars. You know what I'm saying? So it's great for that. But in my case, it's because my original ring no longer fits my finger. And so I'm super excited about that. With that being said, a little bit of misunderstanding on my part of my sizing. So this ring, I don't know if it's going to fit or not. I just ordered what I thought would fit. You guys know my finger was originally a size 9. So it has gotten quite a bit smaller. And in recent rings that I've purchased, I wear a size 7. I'm pretty sure I asked them for a size 8. So I'm hoping that it fits. But cross your fingers. All that to say, anyway, I got a matching wedding set for me and my husband. And I'm excited about it. So let's see which ring I have here. Okay, so here's the packaging. Again, it's giving Tiffany, right? It's so luxe. I love the foiling there, the writing there. It says, read your heart. This is a nice little pillow top. I don't know if you could see it, but that's a pillow top. Super, super luxe, right? Love that. And then here is my husband's ring. Look at that shine. It's just a really nice white gold piece. And then it has yellow gold insets with some moissanites in there. And it is just a stunning piece of jewelry. And I love it because it's mixing metals. It gives you an opportunity to wear it, whatever you would like to wear with it, and it not look crazy because you're mixing, although mixing metals now is a thing, so you really aren't going to look crazy. But I love that this has both of the metals together, right? Very, very nice, very sturdy, understated, but still very classy and elegant. This is my mommy's wedding ring, by the way. It fits me perfectly. When she passed away, my dad gave it to me, so it's very important to me, and I do wear it when I'm wearing all gold. So that's what that is. But family heirloom there. But here is his ring. Is that not stunning? Like, look at that. Beautiful. So there is his ring. Let's go ahead and get into my piece so that you can see what I'm working with, because I'm so excited. It's, when I say stunning, stunning. And this is a different style of ring for me. I don't typically go for this style of ring, but when I saw it, I was like, it's breathtaking, you guys. So again, same packaging. Nice little pillow top, super soft, very luxe. The color, love it, love it, love it. But baby, get into it. Are y'all blinded yet or nah? Get into this ring. Do you see that? This is stunning. absolutely stunning, and it's very understated. Well, the ring is not understated, but the gold accents just on the prongs here are very understated, but they're there. Okay, they're giving what they're supposed to give, and I'm here for it. So again, I ordered this in a size 8, and it is a little big. A size 7 would have been perfect. This is gonna like move around on my finger a little bit, but baby, who will order a sizer is me. I will get on Amazon and find one, okay? Because what? Are you kidding me? Look at the brilliance on that thing. Get into it. I'm absolutely in love. Absolutely in love. And let's see the two together. I would have my husband model it for you, but he's not here right now. He's doing church business, so. But the two rings complement each other so well. So very well. Like, those are stunning. Let me put it on the ring, the finger next to it. And his is sturdy. It's solid. I love that. Oh my goodness. Can y'all get into it? Get into it. I just can't. Oh, so stunning. I love it. I love this piece. I love his piece. I think they complement each other perfectly. All the way here for it. Okay. But wait, there's more. I have one more piece to share with you guys that I am super excited to share with you guys, because it's another piece that I don't have anything like it in my collection. So I'm really happy to share with you. It is a single solitaire necklace in gold, right? Like, I have been wearing gold way more lately, especially because I've been wearing my mom's ring more often. And so I love gold tones on my skin. I can really wear either color, but gold just really pops to me and looks really good on my complexion. And so I thought that this would be very, very nice. The brilliance on it is gorgeous. Look at that moissanite just shining. The gold on it is plated. And this is that cubic chain. Ugh, so stunning. This is an 18-inch chain. And it is sterling silver plated in gold. And let's go ahead and see how this bad boy looks on. Okay, and here she is, guys. Super luxe, just dainty, very feminine. I love it. Very simplistic, but it makes a statement, and it looks just great on my neckline. I think it is very complimentary. I just love it. I'm so into it. Get into it. And look at that. All these pieces are stunning. The quality is amazing. I just love it. I love it, love it. The packaging, A1. The shipping, great. The time, everything is just really nice. So go ahead and check them out. Make sure that you tell them I sent you. Of course, I will have all the details below. I'll have my pieces below. I'll have discount code listed below for you if you're interested. I'm just obsessed. I love the quality. I love the look, the style, the packaging. Everything is just A1. So hopefully we'll do more business with them in the future, because I am thoroughly impressed with what they had to offer. Definitely should have gotten a size 7 on my ring. My husband is a size 10. It will fit him perfectly, I'm sure. But my ring size is now about a 7. So and this is a whole size too big, but baby, it's stunning, and we're going to make that thing work. Do you hear me? Because what? I'm blind, literally blind. That's it for this video. Oh, if you were interested, my lip is Juvia's Place in the shade Cocoa. It's fall, baby. Get into it. Get into it. But anyway, that is it for this video. Again, I wanted to thank Read Your Heart for sending us over the pieces that were featured in today's video. They are absolutely stunning. Definitely worth your coin. Definitely worth the small investment, because it's not going to break the bank. Of course, you know we do everything affordable on this channel, but the quality, we don't skip on the quality, and that's what I love. So that's it for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And be kind to one another, love on each other, and wear your masks. And we'll see you next time. I love you. Bye. Oh. If you're interested in this hair, I just filmed a video on this hair. This is You Nice. I will link the video in the cards up above, because get into this asymmetrical bob. Okay, that's it. I love y'all. We'll talk to you later. Bye.